family, this is the Velvet Locks with another wonderful, awesome recipe video for you today. Now, this is going to be detox waters and teas that you are to take at night. Before you go to bed, this is going to work on you throughout the night. This is one of the most powerful weight loss drinks that I'm going to show you. I'm telling you, this is an overnight fat burning drink. And the benefits that you're going to get from this drink is it's going to burn belly fat, it's going to reduce your waistline, it's going to decrease stomach bloat. For those of you who are having that problem with bloating and that pooch, this is going to decrease that. It's going to eliminate it. It's going to boost your energy. Okay, you're going to have so much energy. It's also going to boost your metabolism. So as it's boosting your metabolism, it's boosting your energy. It's giving you lots of energy. It's also going to increase the absorption of your vitamins and minerals, and it's also going to detox the body, which is one of the reasons why we're drinking this today, because we want to detox, eliminate those toxins and pollutants in our body, so that this way our organs are reset and ready for eliminating the weight. So we're going to get started right now, and I'm going to show you the main ingredients of this wonderful drink. Now we're going to be using 1 whole lemon. We're also going to be using 1 whole lime. Okay, you're also going to be needing a tablespoon of fresh or grounded ginger. You're going to need a handful of parsley and a handful of cilantro. Please make sure they're freshly washed. You get all that dirt and grit off of it. Okay, we're also going to be using 1 whole cucumber. Now this is not organic, so we're going to be peeling the skin off of it today. Okay, you're also going to be needing your apple cider vinegar with the mother in it. Okay, now for those of you who think I'm being sponsored by Bragg's, no, I'm not. Okay, I use whatever apple cider vinegar that has the mother in it. Alright, now this is one of the best ingredients of this drink that's going to set it off, okay? And it's our turmeric powder. Okay, we're also going to be using a little bit of seltzer sparkling water to give it a little fizz. And to sweeten to taste, you can also use as an option your honey. Alright, now I'm also going to use a ½ cup of regular water just to get the motor going and everything going in this drink. Alright, so you're going to need a blender to mince up your mixture. Alright, so we're going to start right now. You're going to use a handful. Now you don't need the stems, so you can eliminate the stems. And you're just going to pop that inside your blender. Now being that I'm using my NutriBullet, I'm just going to pop it inside my cup. And parsley smells so good. Now the wonderful benefits of parsley, y'all, I've made a video already on it, and you're going to receive so many benefits of using parsley in this drink. I'm going to list them all down on the side of the video so you can see how great this drink is really going to be for you. Okay. Alright, so now we finished chopping up our cilantro, and we're going to put that also inside of our blender. Now we're going to skin our cucumber. Now if your cucumber is organic, you don't need to do this. But if it's not organic and it has the waxy film on it, it's best that you peel it, because we do not need that extra crap in our stomach. All of the waxes, just to make it look pretty while it's in the store. No, we don't need that. Okay? Okay, so after you de-skin your cucumber, we're just going to cut it up into small pieces to get it in our blender. And we're going to throw that inside of our blender as well. Okay. Now we're going to add in freshly chopped ginger. Put that in there. And we're going to put in our ½ cup of water. Teaspoon of our turmeric powder in there. Okay, just a teaspoon is good, depending on the amount that you're going to be using. And we're also going to shake up our apple cider vinegar, and we're going to be using 1 tablespoon of our apple cider vinegar. And now we're going to juice our lemons. I love this lemon crusher. Wow. So now I'm squeezing my limes. Now the best way to prepare your lemons and limes for any type of squeezing is to roll it first, and I didn't do that. Okay? But I know us people from the Caribbean, we will roll our lemons and limes just to prep it for squeezing. You get more juice out of it that way. Okay. So now that you've put everything inside your blender, we're going to just blend this up, chop it up. Okay? So it should look something like this. Nice and smooth. Alright, so we're going to use 1 teaspoon of honey. Now try not to use too much of any type of sweetener in any of your teas or detox drinks because we're trying to eliminate that sweetness. Okay? So we're just going to put in a little bit of honey to give it a little bit of taste. We should have put that in there anyways, but I'm just going to put this on just to mix it up a little bit. Yeah. So what you could have done was just put everything in your blender, even your honey, because this step was unnecessary. Alright, now lastly, I'm going to add in some of our sparkling seltzer soda. And you don't have to, you know, this is just a splash, just to give it a little bit extra taste and flavor. Alright. And this is like a nighttime smoothie when you think about it. Like nighttime green smoothie. And there you got it, you guys. Your wonderful, powerful, overnight fat-burning drink. You're going to drink this every night, right before bed. Let me see what it tastes like. Alright, thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful recipe video. And if you want to see more videos, stay tuned because I got more coming your way. Got more powerful detox drinks and teas that's going to help you. So until the next video, I will see you then. Bye. Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.